Hi there, I'm Lisa Newman, your dependable neighborhood realtor with more than 20 years of experience. When it comes to selling your home, my clients appreciate the level of trust, experience, and great service that I provide to them. Trust, integrity, and open communication are the foundations of healthy partnerships, and you can count on me to be your trustworthy guide throughout the selling process. I'll provide precise pricing tactics and insights based on local market knowledge and professional insights to ensure that we sell your home at the ideal price. To maximize exposure and attract suitable buyers to your home, I employ a complete marketing plan that combines both traditional and digital marketing strategies. My strong negotiating skills ensure that you obtain the best price and terms possible while I advocate your interest every step of the way. I go above and beyond to make your selling experience as seamless and stress-free as possible, taking care of all the details. Let's collaborate to make your real estate dreams a reality. To get started, call me at 843-222-5472 or visit my website, lisanewman.coastalrealestate.homes. I look forward to assisting you in successfully selling your home.